In this video, you'll learn how to fix deployment errors in Vercel. This guide will walk you through several troubleshooting steps to resolve common issues that may arise during deployment. To begin, navigate to your preferred web browser. For this tutorial, we will use Google Chrome. Once the browser is open, locate the three vertical dots in the upper right corner of the window. This icon represents the menu. Next, click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new screen where various options are available to customize your browser. After that, look for the Privacy and Security section in the left sidebar. Clicking on this will display options related to your browser's privacy settings. This is where you can manage your browsing data. Once this section appears, find and click on Clear Browsing Data. A new dialog box will open, allowing you to choose what data you want to clear. Ensure that cached images and files is selected to remove any potentially problematic cache data. Following this, check the time range at the top of the dialog. You may want to select all time to ensure that all cache data is cleared. After confirming your selections, click on the Clear Data button. This process may take a moment, depending on how much data needs to be cleared. Once the clearing process is complete, you can now return to your browser's main screen, type vercel.com in the address bar and press enter. This action will take you to the Vercel homepage where you can log into your account if prompted. If you encounter any issues during this process, remember to check your internet connection, as a slow or unstable connection can affect your ability to access Vercel. Additionally, ensure that you have sufficient storage space, as large projects may require more resources. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.